Hello. For chapters 3 Beyond the Classroom assignment, we were exploring applying the principles by looking at it from the perspective of someone that's interested in investing in the stock market. So we had to choose a particular stock and research the rates over a period of time. So for a 6-month period, I chose the Nike stock, Nike Incorporated. Their New York Stock Exchange code is NKE. And here it is. Here's the page over here. I went to finance.yahoo.com and then was able to filter it to find the prices over the course of a 6-month time period, over a monthly period. Then I put all of that into a chart and gathering the key data, meaning the volume traded, the opening price, the high, the low, what it was at closing, and then the adjusted close. And so using that, we had to put together, after copying the stock data and putting it into the workbook, we wanted to display the data in a chart. And we used a formula called a volume, open, high, low, close chart. And in order to do that, the data had to be rearranged in the correct sequence. Volume, open, high, low, close. And once that was done, I was able to create this chart, which has 3 axes: the volume in millions, the dates, and the stock prices. And when you see the white fill rectangles, that indicates that the closing price is higher than the opening price. And when you see the black fill rectangles, that shows that the closing price is lower than the opening price. This was interesting because it shows, just how much, I guess, Excel really is used, and a lot of these formulas are just applicable in the finance world. I mean, I always knew that, but it's kind of fascinating to see that all of these formulas are so pervasive that they're just incorporated into the program itself. And yeah, it was interesting for me as someone that is learning a bit about finance and how it all works in the stock market. I didn't even know this resource was there, so that was another useful thing to learn. So that was it for chapter 3.